to start this snowflake. You can watch my previous video if you are struggling to make magic ring. After you make magic ring, chain 5. This count as 1 double crochet and 2 chains, and then 1 double crochet and then 2 chains. This is repeating 5 times, so totally around the magic ring you have 1 double crochet and 2 chain, like that 6 times. So I have pulled the yarn to secure, and then slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Make 3 chains to count as 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochet in each 3 chain space. Each 2 chain space, 3 double crochet and 3 chains. So total of 3 double crochet and 3 chains times 6. Once you work around the round, make slip stitch into the 3rd chain. And again slip stitch into next 2 stitches to reach to the 2 chain space. In that 2 chain space, make 3 chains, slip stitch, and then chain 5, slip stitch, chain 7, slip stitch, and then going backward again, chain 5, slip stitch into the same space, and then chain 3, slip stitch. So after you complete the backward chain 3, you have to make 2 slip stitches to go to the next 2 chain space. And then you're repeating the same pattern in that 3 chain space, chain 3 slip stitch, chain 5 slip stitch, chain 7 slip stitch, chain 5 slip stitch, and then again chain 3. Once you complete that round, slip stitch into the 3rd chain, and then leaving little bit tail, cut the yarn and use yarn needle to secure all yarn tails. Now we're going to make this snowflake design into a bookmark. You can use that as a gift item in the coming Christmas. What I did was insert the hook into one of the 7 chain loop and make slip stitch and then crochet 50 chains. Now I'm going to make the tussle at the end of the bookmark. To do that, I have wrapped the yarn around 3 fingers. If you wrap the yarn more times, the tussle will look nicer and much volumized. So you can decide how thick you need your tussle to be, and at the end you can cut the yarn and tighten the one end of that loop from end of the bookmark tail, like this, shown in the video. So you can cut the excess yarn bit afterwards. Before that, you need to wrap the top part of the tussle. I have taken 30 centimeter length yarn and then hold the first bit of the tussle and wrap it around and then tight it as shown on the video.